Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Online Foundation School. Welcome to grade 2. Today we're going to have a discussion session on King Solomon and the beast. First of all, let's talk about summary, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Queen of Sheba visits King Solomon. She holds the bouquet.
One
Yes, one is real and one is fake. Solomon cannot tell which is which, right? Means which one is real or which one is fake. The king couldn't tell it, right? Because these two flowers were look alike like real, but the king failed first, right? He opens the windows. Bees flying. After opening the window, right? What happened? Yes, the bees fly in, right? So bees land on, yes, the real flowers. Solomon gives his answer, right? So let's talk about some characters, right? King Solomon, wise ruler. Queen of Sheba. Yes, test Solomon with a riddle. Bees. Yes, solve the riddle by choosing the real flowers. Sentry. Yes, sentry announces the queen's arrival. Okay, let's talk about turning point. Okay? So, first of all, Solomon looks very closely, right? But see no difference because the flowers were designed by experts, right? Flowers were designed by experts, but the real flowers were collected from the nature, right? He remembers bees sitting on his palace. Means when he could not tell the flowers which one is real or which one is fake. What he did, he remembers that there were bees flying in the yes, real flowers. But he remembered the bees were flying near his palace, right? And that's why he told his sentry or his officers to open the windows. Yes. So let's talk about themes. Number one theme. Wisdom comes from small and unnoticed things. Right? So wisdom comes from small and unnoticed things. Number two. Who can read it? Raise your hand. Yes, nature can provide answers. Like how? Tell me. Because the bees are from nature, right?
Bees are natural animals.
Yes, natural insect. So, number three, observation is more powerful than guesswork. Like how? Because the king, first of all, the king observed, right? What he observed? He observed the both of the bouquet of the flowers, right? But first of all, he could not tell the differences. Then he let his officers to open the window. Then the real flowers. Yes.
Land on real flower.
Yes, the bees from nature landed on what? On real flowers. So let's talk about settings and morals, right? So, can you tell me about the time that the story happened?
3,000 years ago.
Very good. It's 3,000 years ago, right?
Yes.
Do you know the place where the incident or where the riddle was happened? Yes, King Solomon's palace.
King Solomon's palace.
Okay, let's talk about morals, right? Number one moral, wise people learn from little things where the other people ignores. Like those people who are very wise, who are intelligent, they learn from small details. For example, the king Solomon himself is a great king, right?
Yes.
Where what he did? He ordered to open the window so that bees can come in and land on the real flowers, right?
Yes.
Very good. Thank you. It was all of my part. Alhamdulillah, we have done a great discussion, right?
Yes.
We're going to learn deeper about the story, about the characters, right? In our next class.